guys, so hari ni kita nak buat unboxing tu tak? Unboxing apa? Nak buat unboxing apa? Bersepah bilik ni. Tak apalah. Okay, so kita nak buat unboxing ni ha. Kita nak beli buku. Kita dah beli buku ni, bukan sponsor ni beli sendiri, okay? Sponsor pakai duit titik peluh je. So many book. Do you want to see what book? Sebab kakak ni baru lepas pandai membaca. So I cakap dia kalau kakak dapat pandai baca, mami bagi kakak pilih 5 book. So nak tengok tak apa book yang dia pilih?
Can I have my book?
Yes, you get to. Adik get to choose one book sebab dia dah pandai ABC. Kakak sebab pandai baca ada berapa? Kakak dapat berapa book? 5. You want to see? I think this is yours, adik.
It is hers.
And then this is kakak. Ni apa?
And look at this.
Look at this. Adik pilih book apa tu?
Powerpuff Girls.
Powerpuff Girls. So kakak come introduce your book. Do you want to introduce your book? I can introduce mine
This
later.
is Powerpuff Girls.
Powerpuff Girl. Okay, this one. What book is this? What do you pick this book? The Farmer Llama. Damn cute. So kita orang memang selalu beli buat access lah kan, yang tak sponsor ke tak sponsor ke memang selalu beli, because I think it's a very nice way to get new information and also bagi habit untuk mencari knowledge. Dia bukan macam pasal membaca je tau, sebenarnya pasal knowledge. Yes, banana, because with knowledge come power. Because sometimes people make wrong decision because they don't have the right information. So to get as much information, you make better decision.
I have a question.
Dia nak cerita.
This cattle, I tengok it.
Oh really? Yang ni kakak pilih. Banana. What else you pick kakak? Bedtime sticker book. Did you pick this one? Oh, and this one? Oh, this one pun sticker jugalah.
I don't think so.
Really?
I don't know.
So many nice stickers.
That's nice stickers.
Yes, and then sebenarnya I realised that okay, other than I memang suka gila kat stiker, anak I pun macam suka stiker. Okay, so
My book.
ya, book. Okay, so yang ni apa-apa buku yang Ili baru beli.
And I said to my mom like this, if I get the ABC series, I can choose some 3 girls, one for mom, one for me, one for kakak.
That's so nice. Muak kakak orang gitu. Okay, so first the hybrid sales channels, which is I nak belajar sebab sekarang I ada banyak klien social media kan. So I think bila I I want to get as much information, I nak belajar banyak sangat benda supaya klien I tak penat. Klien I tak payah susah-susah nak belajar. I belajarkan untuk orang. Ada banyak information dan I boleh run even better campaign dan bawa masuk banyak sale lagi untuk orang. Okay, so sekarang ni ada satu lagi buku We Are Market Based, The Story of the Unlikely Grassroots Movement That Saved a Beloved Business. So I want to read this one also. I want to know. Alright, and then lagi satu, Start Your Business on a Ramen Noodle Budget. So because I realise walaupun macam Ajaib Marketing dah hit lebih pada 6 digit, tapi sebab cost kita orang high, walaupun okay overhead cost lagi, kita orang tak sewa office apa semua work from home, tapi still ada banyak cost yang high. So I nak belajar macam mana 12 lesson on becoming a young entrepreneur. When I'm not really broke, but I'm not very rich. So I wanted to learn as much. So kalau ada bajet sikit pun boleh buat macam-macam. Ini kan pula kalau ada bajet banyak, tahu tak? Boleh meletup. Jangan membazir. So I want to learn that. And then satu lagi buku, How Ideals Power Growth and Profit at the World Greatest Company. So yang ni pun I nak belajar juga sebab I think it will be useful sebab ada banyak CEO, even Sheryl Sandberg from Facebook, which is the COO, pun bagi good words pasal buku ni. So I'm very interested to find out. Okay, ini I think more towards the like macam philosopher level or like a big org punya information lah. But I don't know, I cannot judge a book by its cover. So next Ambition redefined. Okay, why the corner office doesn't work for? Yes, I am.
Bubbles.
Yeah, Shine. Okay, dia cakap why the corner office doesn't work for every woman and what to do instead. Sebab I feel it's relatable. Macam I masuk bidang-bidang like a corporate ni, I rasa macam bagus sebab dia ada ajar I banyak benda yang I belajar. Tapi I don't think it's for me in the long term. I think I wanted to contribute even more, and I think I wanted to like I don't know. I think I'm a mix of both. I like the corner office sometimes, not all the time, and I also like being having direct impact to my client. So anyway, and then next we have these 5 keys to powerful business relationship. So yang ni I tak sabar nak absorb sebanyak mana information. Bukan saja I nak share untuk kawan pula dah, untuk klien-klien I juga nak share dengan, sebab sekarang kan I ada team Norwex kan. So I was thinking like I nak share information yang I ada dekat team I supaya diorang pun boleh grow sama-sama dengan I. Okay, so next kita ada lagi When Market Collide from Muhammad L. Arian, investment strategy for the age of global economic change. Because my husband is more towards the financial part of the spectrum business services. So I wanted to like know more, like, right after, because I wanted to know more. I was just wanted to know more. Okay, and then we have another one. I think this is a must-have untuk kalau you dalam e-commerce business, or you are a business that supporting e-commerce. It's about 6 billion shopper. Buku ni ramai gila orang puji, from Porter Erishman. So let's see. So ada banyak ni kan. So I target semua ni insyaAllah by 3 bulan I habis. I target dalam bulan hujung bulan 2 tahun depan I boleh digest semua ni. So kalau I macam merepek ke apa ke, meramun ke, kalau I macam bazir masa ke apa ke, I terus macam no, I have to like use the time wisely to read some books, get informed. Betul tak? Alright, okay, so thank you for watching. I hope you like this video. I risau sebab apa tau, I tengok tu takut I terlupa nak tekan record. Cakap je dah banyak. Okay, so thank you for watching. I hope you like this video and see you next time. Bye bye.
Goodbye.